and test that on out. Let me undo our wire right here. Just have a simple, that's probably like what, a foot cord right there or so. This right here is just going to attach right on into the port right there. And then just simply take this and plug it on in up here. And what happens is the head of the USB port just turns on a light, like a little LED light, to let you know that it's charging. Right now it's red. We have a little cap right there, so you can store everything away if you need to do that. This right here is your main mama jama. Okay, this is nice and small too, which is great. Got a good little trigger right there on it.